A unanimous vote put same-sex couples in Wisconsin one step closer to being legally married in the state. The U.S. Appeals Court ruled Wisconsin's gay marriage ban is unconstitutional, but the battle isn't over yet. News 8's Brittany Schmidt joins us now to explain what happens next.
Lisa, many people are shocked a ruling came down so quickly. The 7th Circuit Court of Appeals in Chicago only heard the case last week. Now that a ruling has been made, an appeals process is up next. And to avoid the confusion that happened last time, the La Crosse County Clerk says she isn't doing anything until a final decision has been made.
All over the board, everyone was doing something different.
La Crosse County Clerk Ginny Dankmeyer remembers all too clearly what happened last time a judge ruled Wisconsin's same-sex marriage ban is unconstitutional.
Last time we were left to make these decisions on your own, and everyone was meeting with their corp counsels.
In June, U.S. District Judge Barbara Crabb struck down Wisconsin's ban on same-sex marriage, allowing couples to legally marry in the state. But Dankmeyer says county clerks were left in the dark.
You're trying to determine what the ruling actually meant, and everyone had to make your own decision on what you thought was the right thing to do.
For anyone applying for a marriage license, there is a 5-day waiting period. At the time, many county clerks waived that, allowing same-sex couples to get married right away. But Dankmeyer decided to keep the waiting period in place.
We did have 9 same-sex couples come in to apply, and then the ruling was overturned and a stay was issued before we could actually issue any marriage license.
After a stay was issued, many same-sex couples who married during that time period wondered if their marriage was legal or not.
It was utter chaos.
That is why this time around, Dankmeyer, along with other county clerks across the state, is holding out for an official ruling.
That way there's no questions asked, there's no confusions. If a marriage license is issued, the couple's not in limbo on whether it's going to be legal or not. When we issue them this next time, they're going to know that we're issuing it, it's going to be legal, and you're not going to be stuck in court trying to fight if your marriage license is legal or not.
Now that a ruling has been made, state officials have time to make an appeal. During the appeal process, the stay remains in place, so county clerks will not be issuing any marriage licenses for the time being.
The Attorney General plans to appeal the ruling to the U.S. Supreme Court.